The insurance company keeps your cash value and you only get the death benefit. Hello and welcome to the Durham Talents channel. My name is Jesse Durham. Let's cover one of the myths, mysteries, and misconceptions about insurance and infinite banking. This one is that when you die, the insurance company keeps your cash value and only pays the death benefit. So this is a misunderstanding of the relationship in a whole life policy. So when you pay premiums into a whole life policy and you own this policy and you just own it while you are living, while you're paying premiums, there is a guaranteed death benefit and other things, but you have this death benefit guaranteed into the future. What you and the insurance company both hope is far into the future so that you'll be paying premiums for a long time. And, from the consumer side, you'll have the access and use of your policy, which is great because you can enjoy dividends from the company. You can enjoy access to cash value, which means policy loans, policy withdrawals, access to capital, compound your premiums forever into the future over your whole lifetime. Lots of great things. It's the ideal asset, in my opinion. There are 16 characteristics that make a properly structured whole life policy with a mutual company that pays dividends the ideal asset. But this misconception, this misunderstanding about the relationship of premiums buying your death benefit into the future, guaranteed death benefit in the future, well, there's something in between those two. Because from the day that you pay your first premium, you have that guaranteed death benefit, which is hopefully and theoretically far into the future, which means that all along this timeline, you are going to have a cash value because of that much greater future death benefit. You're going to have an increasing cash value over your lifetime until you die. And that cash value is misunderstood, because it is seen as its own standalone entity. And that's because people are, and that's why we have this channel and maybe in particular this particular playlist of information to address these mysteries and misconceptions. So again, here's how this works. When you pay premiums, those are typically level. You've got this future significant death benefit guaranteed. Every time that you pay, every day, in fact, weekends, holidays, doesn't matter, your cash value increases because it must eventually equal that future guaranteed death benefit. So to say that there's a death benefit and that there is a cash value is correct. Those are aspects of this contract, of this policy for sure. But at any given point, the cash value is merely a net present day representation of that future greater death benefit. So yes, the company, when someone dies, doesn't send two checks, one for the cash value, one for the death benefit, because the death benefit is represented net today in the cash value. So the cash value is just a representation. I mean, if it's $500,000 in the future, well, it's not $500,000 today. It's something less than that. But it grows and it gets closer and closer to equal that number eventually. So they are misguiding, or they're at least misunderstanding themselves, these financial gurus, when they say that the insurance company is going to keep your cash value. No. When you have a whole life policy, it has a guaranteed death benefit, and that guaranteed death benefit has a cash value today that represents the future greater death benefit itself. And the beauty is, for those that are practicing infinite banking, you can leverage that cash value via policy loans for financing the things in your life, in your business, or in your investing. So I hope this has been helpful, us covering another one of these mysteries, these myths, these misgivings, etc. And if you have a further question, put that in the comment section below or reach out to me directly. And if you'd like to have a conversation about how to implement the infinite banking concept into your household or your business or your investing, then I look forward to that conversation as well. I hope you have a great day. This has been a great pleasure for me. Take care. The mysteries, myths, and misconceptions. If you're paying a premium, that's... Hiccups suck. You have a cash value.